We have some more NFT talk. Mark Cuban, I don't know if you knew, become a huge fan of NFT, blockchain, Ethereum, smart contracts, financial products on a blockchain, all this kind of stuff. And he came on here. I guess he's on CNBC, and he seemed to indicate that he believes the NFT hype will like level out. Maybe it's a little too hot right now, type of thing. I know you and I had this conversation about who was it, Kings of Leon. Being the first to launch their album on via NFT. And we talked about YouTuber Logan Paul doing his very own NFT. And of course, the record-breaking Beeple artwork, which was originally purchased for like $60,000 and then sold for like $6 million or something. Something like this. So it's hot right now, but it's like everything else in the world, Will. When it's hot, it's hot. When it's, when it levels out, it levels out. And I agree that we have not seen that resistance point yet on a lot of these. There haven't been enough buy, sell. There's not enough buy, sell activity, volume. Many cases, it's a buy and hold, and you don't know what the market is when and if you have to liquidate the thing quickly. It's a collectible, I suppose, for many people who get interested in it. It's meant to be somewhat long-term, unless they get an amazing offer.
Yep.
Obviously, there's been tremendous value generated on the NBA side with the Top Shot project that they've got going on. But anyway, Mark Cuban comes in just to like cool things off a bit and say, yes, maybe it's a bit boosted right now. Maybe things will stabilize. That's fine. But the key thing that he says is the technology is what matters. The technology is the cool part, and the technology is here to stay. And I have to agree with that.
Right.
I think the idea is good enough to stick around. I love the idea of blockchain technologies that can authenticate, that can verify, that
just tracked and recorded.
Just this idea that you have this distributed network responsible for authenticity or scarcity and collectibles. Like, it's just, of course, it's an of course situation. So it's not the type of thing where it's get in now or never at all. It's more, I mean, it can be that for some people, but it's more for somebody like me who's into technology, it's more a progression thing that is nice to watch and cool to see.
Yes.
But collectibles as a whole are out of control. Not just digital, but also collectibles, memorabilia in the real world, which I have another story coming up about that in a moment.